Hello, I'm Michael from EasyStoneShop. I want to show you our drawing, layout and estimating software called EasyStoneShop. In few minutes you can draw a countertop, lay it down on the slab and get a price. Here's how it works. First, let's create a new quote. Choose all parameters you need. Open Quote tool and start to draw a countertop of your dream. You can change the dimensions by dragging the tops, or you can click on any number to change it manually. You can add edges and splashes from the list or add your custom edges. Then we can add sink or cutouts. Here you can add seams. You can add picture of a stone to see how it will look like. You can move it to match veins. Now we drew everything, let's check prices. Here's your worksheet with prices you'll show to customer. You can customize this document like adding logo, details of your company, etc. If you have questions or you want to schedule a demo, follow the link. Thanks for watching.